the Oromo heartland, and the meeting of Ethiopia. Moving to the center, one encounters the vast landscape of Oromia and the Oromo people and discovers something that deserves far greater international recognition: the Gada system, an indigenous African tradition of governance and social organization, carrying with it ideas of leadership, generational responsibility, deliberation, law, and community. Africa is too often spoken about as though our ideas of governance must always have arrived from somewhere else. The Gada system tells us otherwise. Africa possesses political wisdom of its own, and Ethiopia holds an extraordinary reservoir of it. In Oromia, one also finds Ireche, the coffee landscapes, agricultural and pastoral traditions, music, and an immense contemporary contribution to this country's economy and life. And then surrounded, one reaches Addis Ababa. This is where Ethiopia meets Ethiopia, and this is where Ethiopia meets Africa.